What is the Shahadah? Shahadah is an Arabic word which means testimony, to testify that there is no God except Allah, and that Muhammad is his last prophet and messenger. Shahadah is the gate to Islam. Saying the Shahadah is how someone enters Islam. Also denying any part of it makes the person a non-Muslim. The Shahadah is the core of Islam as it's the first pillar. It means a new white page, a page pure from any sins you committed before. Also, it makes you more humble despite how high you are, as you will realize that there is an Almighty Creator and you are His servant. The Shahada words in Arabic are Ashhadu anna la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, and in English, I testify that there is no God but Allah and that Muhammad is His messenger. However, there are some conditions of the Shahada, as you should gain knowledge of their meaning, accept these words, be confident with them, have sincerity from the heart, honest about Islam, and submit your willings to the Almighty Allah.